we're going to let go of the tow rope here pretty quick.
Okay.
We're going to climb a little bit and dive a little bit, and it makes kind of a snapping sound.
Okay.
Well,
Alright.
there he goes with the rope. So now we're on our own. Just gliding. So do you guys want to feel what it feels like to be weightless like an astronaut?
I think so.
Okay, it kind of feels like it did when we let go of the tow rope a little bit, you know. So we'll go down and we'll get some speed, and then we'll come up and you'll get real heavy, and then we'll go back down again.
Okay. So not too fast though, right?
No.
Okay.
Weightless.
Oh.
Woo! What do you think of that?
Yeah, that was cool.
Is that a rush? It's a little different, huh?
Had my eyes closed a little bit.
No, you don't want to close your eyes.
No, I know. That's what I do on roller coasters.
Yeah.
This is really pretty.